His bank balance hit zero, not low, zero. And in that moment, something inside him broke, because losing money is painful, but losing hope, that changes a man. And this story gets darker. Imagine waking up one morning and checking your phone and seeing 0 rupees. No savings, no backup, no safety net. Your brain starts calculating survival like a broken calculator. And somewhere in the world, this is happening right now. They'll say he mismanaged money, he spent irresponsibly, he should have planned better. That's the clean story, but that's not the real one, because the truth is much uglier. He wasn't reckless, he was trapped. Medical bills, family pressure, loans with smiling apps, monthly payments that never end. Every swipe felt small, every due date felt manageable, until 1 month the math stopped working. This wasn't a mistake, it was a system designed to keep him running on a treadmill that never stops. And that's not even the worst part. When the balance hit zero, calls started. Banks, apps, collectors, even friends. Sleep disappeared, food lost taste, time slowed down. He wasn't just broke, he felt invisible, because money problems don't just drain wallets, they drain identity. This was the moment he realized, I don't just need money, I need a way out. Not a miracle, not luck, a system. But here's the part nobody tells you. When money hits zero, the real danger isn't poverty. It's silence, shame, isolation. Millions live this quietly, smiling outside, breaking inside. But there's one difference between collapse and recovery. Understanding the system that trapped you so you can build one that frees you. Money isn't just currency, it's emotional pressure in numeric form. And when the numbers hit zero, your story doesn't have to end, it can restart. And in the next episode, we'll see how the system is designed to keep you there.